Okay, I'll do the best I can here on short notice. I got a face for radio, so we'll see what we make out. I can't back up because there's another trailer right beside me. There's the understorage. I don't know if you can see. I'll see if I can get it. Here we go. Goes through the other side. And then there's one that you can access from the front right there. And then that's where the battery goes. And that's your power cord. And then in here, that's the hot water heater. So you need that for winterizing and stuff. But anyway, that's the underbelly. There's your hot water there. That's just your furnace, exhaust, fridge, outside speakers, outside plugs. We got electric awning. This rack folds down so you can have some storage on there. Throw a few things on. Time down good. You know how wonderful the roads are around here. Don't want her to go bouncing away. See if I can get back enough for this. There you go. This is where your power cord attaches. Right in there. Septic dumps, freshwater connection, and your water tank, outside shower. And then this is just the storage from the other side. 30-pound propane tank on each side, so you get full propane tanks with it. And electric jacks in the front, you got manual in the rear. And this is your other propane tank here. Alright, see if I can do this and find my key at the same time. I'm not much of a navigator, but we'll do what we can here. Okay. Gas, electric, fridge, freezer, 3-burner stove, storage overhead, microwave, lots of storage at the rear. That's your fuse panel down there at the bottom. DVD, CD player, not sure. It works, but if it breaks, there's no replacement for those anymore. You just get an old school DVD player and put in. Full closet there. Full closet there. Lots of storage. Booth dinette. That goes down into a bed. See if I can get the light to go away. It's just getting dark on me. And the sofa, this lays down like a futon. So not huge, but will give you a little extra sleeping. Another closet there. Lots of storage. More storage in there. Overhead. And I think the bed comes up. Yeah. So we got storage under the master bed. Sorry, I don't think you can say master anymore. Got to be politically correct. More storage there. Spot for a TV. Just set it in the corner. Don't want to get in front of the mirror. Don't need that scare. The corner shower. Put the skylight in there so if people are a little bit taller, it gives them some headroom. And then the exhaust fan in the bathroom. Furnace and AC all on the same thermostat. That down there is just your furnace intake. And that's her. I hope I did okay on the video. Let me know if you got any questions. Air conditioning, ducted through the ceiling, furnace ducted through the floor. I guess we got storage under there. Forgot about those. Storage under there. Let's get the one big sink. That's her. There you go. If you have any questions, don't be scared to ask. Talk to you soon.